Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto for staking on Coinbase step by step clearly. Open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Ensure your account is fully verified for transactions. Check if you have the cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer for staking. If you need to buy the cryptocurrency, navigate to the buy section and complete your purchase. Once you have your funds, go to the portfolio section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer for staking. Look for the send or transfer option and click on it. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You'll need to specify the recipient address. To stake with Coinbase, use the staking wallet address provided by Coinbase. If you don't have it handy, navigate to the staking section to find the address. Copy the staking wallet address carefully to avoid any errors. Paste the copied address into the recipient address field on your transfer screen. Review all transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transaction and proceed with sending the cryptocurrency. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, go back to the staking section of Coinbase. You should see your cryptocurrency listed and eligible for staking. Follow any additional instructions provided by Coinbase to finalize your staking setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.